Today we're going to play that Hill Climb Racing 2 game. Did we crash on this one? Watch us and see. Let's load that little guy. Yeah, here we go. This is not an easy game sometimes. Gotta watch the brakes and the gas. So, news, it's never anything up there on that news. Reach gold 1 in cups to unlock. News again. Let's see, what's all this? Wanderer, second class. Starter pack. No, you gotta buy that stuff. New task. Countryside. Which car? Let's go back to this little hill climb too. No, we don't want that scooter, I don't think. Ooh, we can't unlock that one yet. How about the hill climber? See what he can do. Skip, because I don't want to watch a video right now. Alright, hit that gas on the right, the brake is on the left. Remember, if you're rolling over backwards, hit the brake. Rolling over forward, hit the gas. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Hey, I seem to be racing me. Look at there. All three of those guys are me. That's me right there that turned over, I guess. Woo. I'm way behind me now. Come on, BWC. There, we passed me then. Passed that guy. Whoops, whoops. Yeah, I lost my roll cage. As I roll over, I'm on my head. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's go. All right. Gasoline. You gotta have that gas because you'll run out. Pass them up. Coins are okay, but gas you gotta have. Oh no! Oh, whoops! On my head. Oh no! Well, what do we get here? Magnet, start boost, adventure tokens. Nah. Let's try that again. I think I like that little sports car. He seems to be the best one for me so far. What's your favorite car? Which one you use the best? Here we go. Go, 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 Wayne. Da, 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 da. I'm barely in the lead, but I'm there. Whoa, good jump. Get those coins. Yeah. Gasoline, here we go. Yeah. It'll beep at you when you get low on gas. Got a fuel gauge down there in the middle on the bottom. There's gas. That fuel gauge moving? Hey, I've had cars like that before. The gas can, here we go. Missed those coins, but we got the gas, that's the main thing. Yeah. When you're in the air, you can balance it with brake and gas too, keep it level. Sometimes I'm doing that, sometimes I'm not real good at it. Oh, crunch, got that gas can, didn't I? There's coins. Whoops, don't turn over. There's me a gas can. I'm getting close to empty. Got it. Alright. Go, 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 go. Woo! I think I was going to get up that hill. Now, I'm behind me now. I guess when there's nobody else to race, you'll race yourself. Come on, come on, go, 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 go. Uh-oh. See what we can do here. Go. Yeah. Alright, we got up that hill. Low on fuel, though. Come on, fuel. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah, woo. Thought we was going to run out there. Oh, these are tough hills here, aren't they? Whoa, look at that. Get those coins, you can buy various things to upgrade your car. Some of them will help you, some of them won't. Low on fuel, there we go. Whew. Did we not get that gas can? Oh man, we jumped over the gas can and crashed. Look at me laying out there on the ground. Well, what's all this now? Reach silver 1 in cups. Task complete. Oh, look at there. We got stuff we can claim. Let's see what we get here. Vehicle blueprint. Wings. Wheelie boost. That wings might be pretty good. Another one. Roll cage. Flip boost. You get that last one though. Uh-oh, look at that guy. The evil Knievel there. How we doing? It's me. Garage power. Premium pass. I think let's get back a race. Racing that cow. What do you think? Stay with the sports car? We'll add some stuff here. Let's see what we can add. Grip. Yeah, 1,600 points. How about the free one, downforce? No, you gotta watch a video to get that. Alright, let's go. Hit that gas and go. Racing me again. Nobody else to race me. I know they're not scared of me because I ain't that good. There's a gas can. Yo! There's another gas can. Got a plus point for a wheelie. Another plus point. Not sure what those are good for, but if y'all got some hints, leave me a comment, let me know. Need some help. Y'all playing this game? What level you on? Leave me a comment, let me know that. Probably ahead of me. I play it occasionally, but not regularly. You can see the way I'm driving, I don't do it regularly. Amazing to keep him level there. Alright. Work the gas and the brake to keep him level. There's a gas can. I crunched that can. Whoop. Almost turned over, didn't I? Problem with these hills, the wheelies will make you turn over. Flip backwards. About half a tank. I need a gas can soon. There we go. Got it. Alright. Long race, isn't it? Hope y'all aren't having trouble with my Texas accent. Born and raised in Texas. Come on, boy. Get up that hill. Go, go, go. Ooh. Got a gas can right there. Need to get it. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Yeah, alright. Need a gas can here in a few minutes. Hello, gas can. You're getting low. Need gas. Come on, gas can. Where are you? There's one. Got it. Alright. Ooh. Got out of gas, weren't we? Go, 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 go. Ooh, 2-point wheelie. Ooh, almost turned over forward, didn't we? Go, go, go. Oh, no. See if we can get up this hill now. Go, 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 go. Ah, mother and me passed me. Need a gas can. Come on, gas can. Got it, alright. Level him up, there you go. You can get up this hill. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So you keep him level there. Oh, no. Oh, crunch. Well, I think that's going to be about it for this time. We'll come back and play some more later, though. Y'all leave me comments. Let me know what you think of this game, what level you're on, which car you like. See if we can get back over here to the phone. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.